Morning, Mrs. Bubbins. Morning, Mrs. Bub. Morning, good morning, you guys. I hope you're all having a fantastic morning, afternoon. It's Saturday, guys, and I don't know.
Not the morning.
Nope, it's the evening, 6:30. I've been to work, barely eating anything all day because I knew we were having pizza for tea, you know, and I'm trying. It's a cheat meal, but I'm going to try and make it fit the calories anyway. Stacey took so long, so I'm a bit spaced.
Was printing our invites.
I did ask you to. Anyway, guys, look, this is Stacey's pizza, yeah? And then this is my veggie pizza. And that. That's how big the difference is. Tesco, medium, like oven-cooked, hand-baked pizza in the back.
That was
Tesco large.
meant to be $2.65, but it was in the south for $1.70. Yours was meant, well, yours was $3.70.
That's mad, isn't it? $3.70 for all that. That'd feed
Really
4
good,
people, man.
Really good. And they're really nice.
They are.
Bam, bam.
Talk to you in a sec, guys. I'm going to eat this because I'm starving to death because of someone.
Sorry. God, this is a heron? Heron or herring?
Heron.
Look at the heron. Just like sat at the top of his massive tree, just chilling.
It was weird flying in then, wasn't it? We just sort of flying.
Just like swooping in.
Yeah, it was like gliding.
Wow, I want to get it flying off.
It's weird long legs, don't they? Dad's always told me the first time he ever saw a heron, he'd never seen one before. Obviously, like, it was the first time he saw one. But he'd never heard one or anything. He saw it, he thought it was like a dinosaur, he thought it was a pterodactyl.
To be fair, that would be mad seeing that and not knowing what it was.
Mm.
Looks like the little ones you get on the Jurassic World.
Mm.
Come on, fly. Just let open the window. Fly! 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 Pew. Oh yeah. She's been chilling there a while now. Hello! That's mad. Never seen one before.
Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. It's day 2. Morning, Stace.
Morning.
How you doing? We ate pizzas last night. I ate the whole thing. I ate a massive veggie pizza that we showed you. Yeah, I ate all of it.
Oh.
I ate like all of it apart from 2 slices. And then and then we had this tub of ice cream that Stacey bought, yeah? We were going to share it. Stacey had about 2 spoons. Decided she didn't like it. So I ate the whole tub.
Did you?
And then I ate the other 2 slices of pizza. But, you know what? That actually all fit in the calories. In a sense, because usually I eat 2,000 calories a day on a diet. But yesterday, because it was cheat day, I said I'd eat 3,000 as a nice bump. And like, because I didn't really eat anything else that day, I just had that little meal in the day. That whole pizza and that probably still fit in them calories. That's amazing, isn't it, really?
The tub was 1,000.
Yeah. And then, as long as the pizza was only 1,500.
Oh yeah.
Which it would be because it didn't have any, it's a really thin base from there. No meat.
Hardly cheese.
Exactly. It's probably 1,500 or less, so I've probably actually come in under what I expected.
What?
That's mad, isn't it? Because, and I put that down to this fasting diet I've been on, because I've been used to kind of being hungry a lot and not just thinking, oh, hunger means I've got to eat. I was able to just eat one meal and then wait until 7 o'clock in the evening to have a proper feast of a meal. And then last night we ate all that and fell in a bit of a coma.
Honestly, what time was
Yeah,
it?
you did, and I just stayed up doing the editing stuff.
Oh, that's like, no.
Yeah. What did we watch? We watched Kingsman 2 again. We have watched it when it was in the cinema, but it's such a good film. Stacey's bite's doing a bit better. Looks a bit bruised today, to be fair, you know. Can you guys see this? Let's look in the view. Oh, wow. Yeah, there you go. Looks a lot more like a bruise on the vlog. Doesn't look that bruised in person. It looks quite red, and then it is really bruised, actually. That must mean it's healing, doesn't it? Yeah. It's not a swollen, it's more skin level. Anyway, it's Sunday fun day. Lizzie's downstairs. We're about to go out. We're going to Ikea. It was supposed to be a really fun day. We were going to go to the Wire Forest. Mum had rented like a big tramper thing, like a mobility scooter for in the woods. And we were going to take the bikes. But he's ticked it down all weekend and it's still raining now. So we're just doing Ikea. Ben and Stacey love Ikea. Lizzie wants to go for the meatballs.
I'm not bothered. Honestly, I've not forced this on anyone. I said, if Lizzie doesn't want to go, I'm not bothered.
Lizzie didn't want to go at first, and then she thought about the meatballs, and now she does want to go. We're here, guys. It's taken about over an hour to get here. Should have taken about half an hour, but we got stuck in traffic. And then we've been driving around the car park for probably 20 minutes, looking for a space. It's freaking rammed. We didn't expect this. I'm starving, because I'm still fasting, obviously I haven't ate. It's like nearly 2 o'clock. Bubs.
You're alright.
No, I'm hungry. I'm absolutely starving. It's going to be rammed in that restaurant bit, man. Hello, this morning. Welcome to the vlog. You look very hippie-ish today.
I heard a pea flare.
Who did? Oh, you need a tinkle, do you? A tinkle town. Finally, yeah. You're weird.
Look, I look really nice.
I know, I said.
Oh, this is what we've come for. It took us ages to get here.
Blueberry cake and apple cake, so you can choose.
Oh, that looks nice, that apple one. I've gone for... I'm not that hungry. I've gone for the kids' meatballs.
This was one.
And this has gone for the adult meatballs. I had a massive breakfast, so... And then Jamie's gone for vegetarian meatballs.
Yeah.
The meatballs are not that. What's that?
It's veggie balls with a veggie sauce,
Oh.
veggie couscous, blueberry cheesecake, a solid bomb, mouse water, and a salmon ring. That's what you got.
I remember having this last year.
Oh yeah, and Coke is this.
Yeah, yours is Coke. They did all that mad.
Wedding vibes right here, innit?
Yeah, fair. Done it, nearly 500 quid, let's buy two.
That's not bad. Really?
What, for something you can make out of pallets?
I mean, yeah, we could make that. And string.
Look at the wood outside.
We
Good luck
will.
on the way out.
On the way back. Should we make something really cool with it if we've got time when we get back? Oh my god.
You're not going to have time today.
Oh.
You're well excited.
Oh.
What would you make with it?
I don't know. Depends what the pieces are. Ooh, look at them. Welcome to our new kitchen, guys. We had this fitted yesterday, yeah. Thought we'd show you around. Kitchen tour.
Oh yes, it's a new home.
Oh my god. I'd want this.
Oh, it smells so nice as well, it just smells like a new home.
I don't like the handles. I'd have to... Oh, imagine having like a little place to eat. Oh. Cute.
Might most at the corner of the home.
Oh, fridge.
Oh.
The hidden fridge, don't you know?
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this fridge in the house.
Oh, in the house we just bought.
What else? Guys, forgot to tell you. Bought a house. It's even got sound effects.
This is our outdoor garden. This is our outdoor garden and we sit down here.
Yeah. Oh. This is £80. I think that's out of our price range.
£80? For all of it?
But stuff like this would be good.
Like that?
Do you love it, Joe?
I do, get it. Come.
£16.
Yeah, that's cheap.
No. Found my new wedding dress. Not think I could rock this. £5.
Better than a wedding dress.
Yourself in the corner.
Oh, nice and snug. Pat on the glasses. I was like, yes.
You've got to press record before you talk. No.
This is what you should record. I don't like recording.
You do,
I get
you
it
love
wrong, then you're like, oh, and then you edit and you just like,
I'm sorry. I noticed it before. You do it quite a lot. You start talking before you press record, and then I get like half sentence.
sorry. Storage.
I like muesli.
Oh.
You're looking at the storage.
I get excited by storage, you get excited by food.
Yep, sounds about right.
What's the food in here?
They do their own brand of food, I should say. Display symbol. Delicious.
You can eat it. Oh, it's not open.
It's like a food supermarket with like
Food. We're in the toy section. Picking out a new toy.
Obligatory teddy purchase.
Yeah.
Oh, the dino's cute.
Yeah. It's hardly got any stuff in it.
It's empty. Is it a puppet?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Pablo.
Oh, I would love it.
Where's he
Hello.
from?
Hello.
What? Is he from?
My name is Daniel the dinosaur.
What are you doing? What are we doing?
I'm making a
To the bottom, to the wiggles.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Sorry. The doggy. Sorry. The doggy.
Puppy Butts. Brought to you by Puppy Butts. Oh. Oh, that looks so cute, like a little puppy. Guys, got your puppy?
That creepy puppy that is.
Creepy about it.
Jamie's got the hiccups. They're so cute. How much are these?
We put some birds at the same time, more gas stuff. I don't know if I get one. I don't think I'd use it.
The blue one's 125. Cocking. Oh, chocolates.
Should we look there? Hey, look,
Are you liking it? You're enjoying Ikea?
the doggy.
We've got a lot for the.
Your dog, we haven't shown them your dog now.
This is what our shopping trolley looks like so far. We haven't got to the best bit yet.
What, food?
Plants.
Yeah, but just mainly wedding shopping, you guys. I've still got the hiccups, it's been like half an hour. I'm thinking of...
Swallowing 3 times.
my mouth is super dry because I keep swallowing the hiccups. I really need a drink.
You've been hiccuping for a while now.
No.
You should see when
I'm
the
in
last
Paris.
clip was.
Bad attention, shouldn't I?
What's
What's going on with this now? This is some ice cream magic, innit? What flavour are you having, Liz? Oh, then you're going to put your token in as well. So I don't know if this one, I don't know. I've seen the light. So that's chocolate.
Wow. We're now on our little journey. We're on our little adventure to see if we can get some free wood because we went to the park and we found it. It must have been right that we found it.
It's in a little corner, isn't it, that we haven't seen.
We've never seen it before. So we're going to see if we can get some wood for the wedding. Oh, it's very snazzy. Snazzy. This is it. Free wood of Ikea. Oh.
Cool beans. Do you think you could make anything out of any of this?
Don't. No. This I could. Oh,
You don't think you could make a table out of any of the bits?
I feel like that. That one at the back. This one's
Big bit over it.
the big bit.
Yeah, big bit. Couple of big bits in the black one as well.
Yeah. Oh, that's like a chalkboard, isn't it? I like that.
That's a bit big.
It's all like, what's it called? Like that kind of wood. How about these though? That's quite good. You could make something round out of these. Wait, is that 2 together? Yeah. Could make like a little stool. Nah, I've got nah. Let's go.
Where about?
What
Away with the other side.
Sorry.
Get to yours for our five on
Jamie is in a very, very bad mood, aren't you, Jamie?
I am not in the mood.
He's trying to put on a fake smile now. He came to the car like this. He's looking down like this. Hello, you alright?
Does that sound
Look,
like me?
he's fake smiling now.
You what?
To make it sound like...
Haven't
No, we're in Ikea.